Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the stream. In case you're seeing this later on in the week, I run a nightly, I run a daily live stream. Sometimes it's in the morning and sometimes it's at night. Kind of depends on what day you're watching. The schedule should be out here shortly. But anyways, Travis was asking, is it smart to invest in base things like gas, sugar, gold, etc.? And those, mostly what he's talking about, are going to be things called commodities. Commodities like corn, soybeans, all that kind of stuff are things that we basically cannot live without. Gasoline, I think, being one of them. And yeah, I think it's important to invest into those kind of things because when the market gets a little bit shaky, gets a little bit dicey, at least you know that for the most part those commodities should stay relatively safe compared to maybe a company that relies on the strength of the economy and people going to buy, having excess cash to go buy things. For instance, like consumer discretionaries like video games or whatever, maybe they don't have the money to go buy those, so they go just buy commodities. And also I like exposing myself to the gold and silver or precious metals industry. Specifically, right now I've been focusing more on gold because it does have a little bit of a negative correlation with how the market acts. And so for me, on a lot of my portfolios, it makes up about anywhere from about 5 to 15% of my holding. I am looking at turning that back down though, because it doesn't pay a dividend, and so there can't be as much compounding effect with gold, silver, precious metals, and the like. I would say just don't overexpose yourself. I don't see anything bad with doing it. For instance, I think that there's a few stocks that I'm exposed to that do gasoline operations and so on and so forth. And for me, they've been doing pretty well. Obviously, when gas prices drop, those companies don't do as good. Same thing with gold companies. When companies mine gold, the price of gold drops, they don't perform as well. They don't make as much money that year. So go hand in hand with either buying a company or buying an ETF. I think, yeah, to some degree, you should have some hedge and exposure, at least on some account. If it's not on every single one of the accounts, maybe at least on one of the accounts to kind of help protect or whatever it may be. Anyways, guys, it has been real. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And be sure to check out my live stream.
Do